Hey everyone! So I'm going to do a 10 by 20 flip and drag with some pretty cool colors. I have a metallic gold, a coral color, olive green, ooh my light just fell, and Van Dyke brown, and a rose gold metallic. So I don't want to use a lot of each color, but I do want the brown to be a little more prominent. So I'm going to start with a 5-ounce cup, and I'm going to spray that with the WD-40 silicone spray to release the paint. Forgot my gloves. So I hope you got a chance to watch the tutorials this past week. So we have everything finished now, and like I said before, if there's something you want to see, just shoot me a message, and if I can do it, I will show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to rub that in a little bit. So I'm going to start with the Van Dyke brown. I'm going to follow that with some gold. And then some rose gold. All of my paints have treadmill silicone in them. And a little bit of coral. Back with just a touch of brown. And then I'll put some olive green in there. Okay. All right. Mixed up a ton of colors yesterday, so I have lots to play with. All right, I'm going to give that just a little stir. I hope these work good. Place it in the middle of the canvas. My white is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow mixed with white craft paint, and I also put in some Soho white. Just move that around a little bit. All right, do some tipping. It's pretty muggy here today. We have a ton of fog out there tonight. There. See one little speck in there. don't have very good luck picking them up. I still haven't put my tweezers over here. My goodness. Okay, I'm going to torch some air bubbles out. Okay. So now I'm ready to drag. Oh, better pop a hole in there, get rid of some of that suction. That's not going to work, is it? I'm trying to get my cord out of there. Okay, it's not letting paint out already. Boy, that coral sure made its appearance. Not enough olive green though. Maybe we'll see it when we move it around a little bit. I'm just waiting for it to settle a little bit. Okay, and now we're going to airbrush, and hopefully the metallics will come out. I can see them, but they're not, I don't know if you guys can see them or not. My goodness, I got myself a little trap over here tonight. Okay, I'm going to start on this end. Trying to cover up a little bit of that coral. Still got a lot of paint on there. My gold was a little watery compared to the consistencies of the other ones. Metallics have a tendency to either get really thick or thin down, and mine thinned down. It has something to do with the Floetrol. I'll turn that around. Let that set for a minute. rack was on top of my compressor. It was making too much noise. I think I'm going to leave it alone. It's going to dry different because the olive green is dark, and the gold and the rose gold will dry different too. But I hate that these lights don't work for you guys. Lots of pretty cells in there. I give it a torch. I didn't put a lot of coral in there either, which surprises me. But we'll see how it dries. It'll be darker. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click subscribe below. I'm having a hard time with that word today. And click on the little bell next to it to be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. And please leave a comment. Let me know if you like it. And if you have any questions, you can reach me through Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And I'll get back to you with any drawn out questions that I can't answer here. So, but have a great night. My next one's going to be a black negative space, and probably some bright colors with that. So stay tuned, and I'll get this one uploaded in the morning. Thank you. Have a great night.